Dark lightning, terrestrial gamma-ray flashes, forms when powerful electric fields in thunderstorms accelerate electrons to near light speed, causing them to collide with air molecules and produce gamma rays. These gamma rays then convert into new high-energy electrons and antimatter positrons, creating a self-sustaining, high-energy cascade reaction within the cloud that discharges electrical energy but produces very little visible light. How the process unfolds. Electric fields, intense electric fields, generated by the charge separation in a thunderstorm, are the initial trigger for dark lightning. Electron acceleration. These powerful fields accelerate electrons within the thundercloud to extremely high velocities, close to the speed of light. Gamma ray production. When these superfast electrons collide with air molecules, they unleash bursts of high-energy gamma rays. Particle-antiparticle creation. The energy from these gamma rays then transforms into new, high-energy electrons and their antimatter counterparts, called positrons. Feedback loop. These new, high-energy electrons and positrons continue the process by colliding with more air molecules, creating even more gamma rays, electrons, and positrons in a chain reaction. Terrestrial Gamma-ray Flash, TGF. This cascade is the Terrestrial Gamma-ray Flash, TGF, which is a natural, terrestrial phenomenon that occurs during thunderstorms, according to interesting engineering. Key characteristics. Invisible to the eye. Unlike visible lightning, dark lightning produces very little light, hence the name. High energy. It is a powerful discharge that can carry 1,000,000 times more energy than visible lightning, notes Euronews. Short duration. The high-energy process is very rapid, lasting only thousandths of a second, says Euronews. Dark lightning poses minimal danger to people on the ground, but it can expose airline passengers to higher radiation doses, potentially exceeding the maximum safe lifetime dose from a single flash if they fly close enough to the event. While a single flash of dark lightning can deliver radiation equivalent to dozens of CT scans, the bursts are rare, and pilots avoid flying through thunderstorms, significantly reducing the risk of a direct hit. What is dark lightning? Dark lightning, or terrestrial gamma-ray flashes, TGFs, are bursts of gamma rays produced within thunderstorms. They are caused by electrons being accelerated to nearly the speed of light, colliding with air molecules and emitting gamma rays. Unlike visible lightning, dark lightning is almost invisible, though a faint purple glow might be observed. Potential risks. For air travelers, the primary concern is exposure to high-energy gamma rays, which are a type of ionizing radiation that can damage DNA and increase the risk of cancer. For ground dwellers, the radiation doses received on the ground are not considered dangerous. Rarity. Dark lightning is rare, with a frequency of about 1 burst for every 1,000 normal lightning strikes. Mitigating factors. Pilot evasion. Pilots avoid flying through thunderstorms, which are the environments where dark lightning occurs, thus minimizing exposure. Low dose. Even for those exposed in an aircraft, the doses are not typically considered truly dangerous and are similar to that of a full-body CT scan. Location and time. A plane would need to be in the wrong place at the wrong time to receive a significant radiation dose. Conclusion. While dark lightning represents a powerful form of natural radiation, the risks to the general public are minimal due to its rarity and the fact that it is more likely to affect people at high altitudes. Further research is ongoing to fully understand the impact of these phenomena. You wouldn't know dark lightning was there with your eyes or ears because it's invisible and silent. Instead, gamma-ray and radio wave detectors, like those on satellites and the International Space Station (ISS), are needed to identify its presence. On an aircraft, a rare, weak, bluish flash might be seen, but the primary indication of dark lightning is the detection of its associated high-energy gamma rays and radio waves. For scientific detection. Satellite-based gamma-ray detectors, instruments on satellites, like NASA's Fermi Gamma-ray Space Telescope, are used to detect the gamma-ray flashes produced by dark lightning. Atmospheric sensors. The Atmosphere Space Interactions Monitor, ASIM, on the ISS also detects these events, providing valuable data. What might be experienced on an aircraft? A brief flash. In rare instances, an aircraft flying directly through a dark lightning event might perceive a diffuse, bluish flash of light. Ionizing radiation. While invisible, dark lightning produces intense radiation, which can be a potential concern for passengers and crew at typical cruising altitudes where dark lightning occurs. Radio wave detection. Some research has detected a discharge of radio waves preceding the visible lightning, which could be an indicator. Why it's hard to detect. Invisibility. Dark lightning is essentially a cascade of gamma rays and other energetic particles, which are invisible to the human eye. Brief duration. These high-energy bursts are very short-lived, lasting only a fraction of a second. Limited knowledge. Scientists are still working to understand the frequency and exact mechanisms of dark lightning, and whether visible lightning always accompanies it.